Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing DIY tooth gems, and y'all, I thought it would be cool, give it a try. I haven't tried it, that's why I'm gonna try. So pretty much this channel is just you guys, I don't know, me doing new things. My channel's filled with a whole bunch of stuff, so I really don't know, and I'm trying to get that together and organize and know what type, like, you know, what genre. I don't know what genre. I lost the word, what I'm trying to say. What, you know, I usually do on here. Is it either beauty or is it pranks? Most likely it's probably just gonna be filled up with my channel will be filled up with lots of beauty videos or just doing new things to my face, to my body. Pause. But yeah, all right, let me just say who I was inspired by to do this, because I want to give props to those. Janai Christian, but I usually be watching her, you know, YouTube videos, and I came upon that, so I was like, well then let me give it a try, because very popular, or more pop, well, it was just a comeback from the 90s. Everything comes back from the 90s, literally. Here is the jewels I have. So I found this around my house, around my room pretty much. I was using it, I don't know what I was using it for, but I got this, and it is sticky. So dark Starburst gem stickers. So what I will be using to put it on my teeth is this. Like, this also was found in my house, so most of the things I be using is household items and pretty cheap. So that's the good part about it, because most, like the real, you know, you can get it permanent on your teeth and go to the dentist and they do that way. But boo, expensive, you know, why not do this? Cheap shop, probably $2, $1, $2. This was like $1. Yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, get into it. So I'll be using this to wipe the area dry, because it can't be sticking, it can't stick on anything slippery or whatever. And also, you should clean your teeth. Usually if you put anything on it like that, like, it would stain your teeth if it's dirty and get rusty and whatever. So make sure your teeth is clean, because I just cleaned my teeth. Also because I don't want to be showing y'all my dirty teeth. I think I will be using it, putting it on these two, my fangs. Fangs are here. I'll decide. Oh, also I need to give off a warning or whatever, just in case children watch it or whatever. Don't do it without your parents' permission or without parents being there with you doing it. Or, you know, I hope children don't do this on their own, because, like, I am not responsible for anybody getting hurt. I didn't get permission to do this, but I don't really need permission. I got it down pat, so I don't really need permission for this. I don't know, whatever, I'm 16, I got this. And I'm just hoping these are not too big, I'll take up my whole tooth, you know. That is what it looks like. And also clean your hands too, because that's also important. Corona diseases, yeah. So let me just see what it'll look like on my tools. See if it will, like, go on there, or maybe. Maybe I should also take off my lipstick. I'm trying to be cute. So I will be using this, a plicker. I call it a plucker, because, you know, you usually pluck hair. Okay, what I'm gonna do is dry it. I was going to test it out to see if it would like stick or just a little bit for me to see if that's like the tooth I wanted on, but this is too much. It's giving me a headache. Oh my gosh. Things are just not going my way today. I literally... Jasmine, get your head together. So guys, I'm gonna do it another way I learned is to put the glue right on top of that, like the part right here, and then dab it right there and then put it on. Bro. Oh my gosh, finally I got one on. Okay, there that is. Finally. I see my lip gloss coming up. I shouldn't even had it on, but I got one on. Hey, okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. On to the next one. I'm about to have another hard time doing this one too. I'm sorry. I'm over here trying to keep my mouth open. Like, ugly. Oh. That was something. It looked kind of weird to me. I should have put it up a little bit more. I'm gonna put more lipstick on. You think I feel like it's too big. I don't know, something going on. Just looks kind of weird. It's still cute. Okay. But it's cute. I did it. I do know that there's like a kit now called Gym Z's. So like I guess it got more not professional, but it's like more together, you know. I don't know if you have to like glue like how I just did. I had to glue it on with nail glue. And also about the glue and how long it lasts, it can like stay for like a week or two maybe if you're lucky. So be careful when you're like brushing your teeth and stuff. Don't do it too hard, or do it hard if you want to, like, to make it come off, but make sure you don't swallow it. Let me just give y'all a good look. That's that, and thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you enjoyed. Bye.